Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hi. How are you doing? I told you to stay in the sewer. It smells down there. Good. She'll be back. She'll so be back. Oh. My God. She tried eating me like 30,000 times. She's so annoying. Oh my God. Grr. He thinks I'm annoying. Do you think I'm annoying? I'm not annoying. Do you think I'm annoying? Do you think I'm annoying? Oh my God, I don't want to be annoying. No, I don't want to be annoying. I like talking like that. Bah. Moo. I can do it too. Shut up. You're not on board. I am now. More sugar. I love you all. Why'd you eat me again? I have no idea. Don't even think about it. Ah! Oh my God! Stop doing that! God. I will sue you. I ate the dirt already. I will kill you. I'm already dead. Run, people. Just run. He wants to play. That really hurt. She ate me, threw me out, threw me up, and then tried eating me again. Without even taking a bath first. That's just nasty. Nasty. Oh God. That was not nice. Eating people's not nice either, you know. I'm so sorry. No, you're not. Get up. Good. Cry all you want, you little bastard. Ooh. Don't even think about it. She lives in the sewer. She gets to stay down there. Are you coming one more time? I'll kill you. I kill you. I say.
What? Yeah.
That's all, folks.
Hi. Josh, I'll invite you to a different party.
Bye.
I was gonna invite you.